In this video, I will show you how you can fix the freezing or glitching problem on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now doing that is very simple. Just perform a force restart on your iPhone. To do that, just grab your iPhone and press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold on the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. And once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now, after the force restart process is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. Now, if you have done a force restart and if your issue is fixed, then this is most likely happening because of a software glitch. Now, to fix this issue completely, just go to Settings and tap on General. Just tap on Software Update, and over here, just check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPhone. But if you have done a force restart and if your issue is still not fixed, then just try to perform a force restart a second and third time. But if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.